Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Brian from Search for Deal. Today I'm gonna unboxing Sony PlayStation Classic. They launched at the last year. Future 70 plus, whatever. Original price was 70. Comes with 20 games, but I guess nobody buying it, so price dropped to 20 bucks. You can buy 20 bucks in your local Best Buy or about 30 bucks in Amazon Prime, I guess. And it is comes with the original shake console, 2-wire control, HDMI cable, what am I talking, and a USB power cable, but you need to, it doesn't come with the plug, so you have to have your own power plug. So for 20 bucks it's not too bad for 20 games, but there's a little hack that it comes with 101 games, plug and play, you don't have to modify or anything. Hack stick, which called Crackhead pack from True Blue Mini, and it adds 101 games, and it looks like this: multi USB port and 64 gig USB port loaded with all the games. So all you do need is plug one of those controller and plug it in, I guess. Let's test it out. This 101 game hack is 20 bucks on eBay and the Amazon Prime. So I think it's really great price point. So total 40 bucks, still cheaper than Nintendo Classic or any other. There's a little hair going on here. And I just power up. I'm not sure how it comes out though. So set up English. Little action going on right there. So it's a pretty small, very compact. And I see blinking light, so it's loading up. So English, okay. I'm not so sure you can see or not, but let me turn off the light here if it's any better. Hopefully you see better though. See all these games: Crash, Croc, Diablo. So basically this USB stick using emulator built in this PlayStation Classic. Enter. Oh, and it's not too bad. It's great pricing point right now, because 20 bucks, and I guess you have to unstick this to play 20 game stick Comes with the Classic, and I don't know, it's nice. Somehow it failed compared to Nintendo or Super Nintendo Classic. So, and here's playing 101 classic games with this plug and play stick. So it's not too bad. 20 bucks, 40 bucks. So I mean, graphics not as good as, latest game console, but it is fun to play classic games sometimes, and go check it out if you want to, try out this PlayStation Classic and little hack stick without, you don't have to do anything. So, and this console is so cute, so compact. Look at this box. It's about 5-6 inches. So anyway, this is another way to enjoy your Sunday afternoon. Thanks for watching. Bye.